Hello friends, I have come to discuss on different types of linear programming problems. The first problem is diet problem. I told you there are three problems: Delhi metro train, diet problems, manufacturing problems, transportation problem. So this is the first one, diet problem. Now look here, the problem is written here: a dietitian wishes to mix two types of foods in such a way that vitamin contents of the mixture contain at least 8 units of vitamin A and 10 units of vitamin C. This is the question. Now look here. Here is the solution. This is vitamin A, vitamin B, these are the resources. There are two types of food and minimum or at least 8 units of vitamin A should be there and 10 units of vitamin B should be present in the food. So, because the dietitian wishes to mix two types of foods, this is food number 1, food number 2. This is the requirement. So, now let us go further. Food 1 contains 2 units of per kg of vitamin A and 1 kg of vitamin C. Look here, this is 2 and 1. Next is food 2 contains 1 unit of vitamin A and 2 units of vitamin per kg. This is 1 and 2. And the cost of food is rupees 50 per kilogram and cost of that second one is 70 rupees per kg. This is 50, this is 70. For food 1 it is 50 rupees per kg, it is 70. So now we have to firstly make the LPP. देखिए इस तरह का आपको जो डाटा दिया हुआ है, यू हैव टू पुट इट इन दिस शेप and write here x and y. Go on multiplying x with 2, y with 1. It becomes 2x plus y. It should be less than equal to, it means greater than equal to. That is at least means greater than equal to. And similarly, vitamin B is there, x1, y2. Look here, x1, y2. At least 10 means more than equal to 10. And x, y are the non-negative variables. So LPP has been formed. Now let us go further. The solution is continued. Let us draw the graph of the constraints and find feasible solution. Look here. I have brought this objective function z equal to 50x plus 70y. It is, I framed it here, I have brought it here. So objective function is 50x plus 70y. Constraints are 2x plus y greater than equal to 8 and 1x plus 2y greater than equal to 10, and x and y are non-negative variables. So let us draw the graphs of these constraints as lines. So there are two lines here and they are meeting at the point 2, 4. So now we have got three corners. One corner is this, second corner is this, third corner is this, and this is the feasible region. So our answer lies on one of the corners, and let us discuss each corner. This is 0, 8, this is 2, 4, and this is 10, 0. So these are three corners, and accordingly let us calculate z. It is 50x plus 70y. Put the value of x as 0 and y as 8. You get 560. Put the value of x as 2, y as 4. You get the value 380. Put the value of x as 10, y 0. You get 500. Hence, minimum of the 3 is 380. This is the solution. So solution lies at 2, 4. So answer will be 2, 4. Answer will be 2, 4. So this is how you have to draw the graph by using the constraints as lines, and you have to take 0, 0 as judge. Supposing we put 0, 0 here, 0 plus 0 is greater than 8, this is wrong. So this judge is not giving the right judgment. So you have to take it on the other side, this side. Similarly, second line also, x is 0, y is 0. Put 0, 0 as judge. So judge it, 0 plus 0 becomes greater than 10, this is wrong. So we will take it not on this side, we will dark it on this side. So this area becomes more darkened. This is the feasible region and our answer lies here, and it is one of the corners. It is one of the corners. So we have discussed 3 corners. The minimum value comes at 380. So our solution is at 2 and 4. Thank you very much for watching my videos. I request you to kindly share it with your friends, and if you like it, please do subscribe it. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye.